penguins. An original penguin. I don't want to rip it. Pretty cool, Viv. Thank you. This is a clue?
Yeah. Did you know they made their shirts with penguins?
I didn't know
on them?
penguin was a clothing line.
It's a really nice one.
I can't look at the clues.
What's on it?
It's a penguin. Are we? I think I know what we're gonna do.
What are you gonna do?
Are we gonna go to SeaWorld? Are we gonna go penguin watching? Yeah? Seriously? Wait, no, seriously?
On Saturday.
What? No way!
Yeah.
No
like
way!
Shaking hands, meet, you know.
No, we're gonna go
meet-
backstage with
you meet
penguins?
People, you shake their hands. That's what that
No
means.
way! Seriously?
Yeah, now open that one. It's not a present, it's something
Oh
that
my god, no, we're not.
yeah, that's something that I'm gonna need for Sunday.
We're gonna go penguin? We're gonna like go back.
Yeah.
Penguins!
That's the first thing that came in the mail that you were trying to figure out.
Oh, this is the first day. This is a weird feeling one. What is this?
I'm gonna need that for Sunday.
Are we going to the Chargers game?
Uh-huh.
No way! No way! We're gonna go. Oh my god! No way! No way! Wait, who?
And who do the Chargers play on Sunday?
The Seahawks!
So we're gonna go bird watching. We're gonna meet some
Oh
penguins.
no shit! That makes sense! No, that's why you sent me the Space Needle, because it's in Washington and they're no way!
The lightning bolt, Chargers.
Yeah, the lightning bolt, and then SeaWorld, the world.
A sea in a world.
No way! No way! No way! No way! No way!
Wait.
Oh shit! No way! We're gonna go see a foot. No way!
Are you surprised?
Come here.